Hey guys, it's all about the Toys channel. But before we get started opening our awesome toys, we'd like you to take some time to subscribe to be one of the first people to watch our new awesome videos.
Today we have this awesome Shopkins Play-doh surprising. Season 3 we had Duffel bag from Season 3 Shopkins. And it's Alexis' first Play-doh egg! Woo! She made it all by herself.
Duffel bag has an additional accessory, lipstick. And there's not only the Play-doh duffel bag, but the Shopkins duffel bag.
Let's get opening!
Yeah.
Let's crack this egg. He was first in our surprise egg. My Little Pony. Bye-bye. See. Whoa!
Oh, I really wanted her. She's so cool.
What's her name?
Her name is Minty.
Minty.
It looks like she's like in the mold.
Oh, look. She got some mints as her cutie mark. Whoa!
Whoa!
Disney World Collector's Pack. See? Whoa!
A Dalmatian.
We got a little Dalmatian from the Dalmatian. Look at that puppy. I wonder what number this one is. Do they have names or do they have numbers?
They have names.
Wow, 101 names?
Probably lucky.
Wow, we got lucky. We got a Dalmatian.
Yeah, it just says Dalmatian on the thing.
Next we have...
Oh my gosh! The mice.
Wow, this is one of the...
Don't we have an ornament of that? No.
We probably do.
It's a diamond. Yeah, they're we do.
Wow, do you know the name of this one?
No.
You don't know the name of this little mouse?
No, I haven't watched them.
Oh,
I've watched them.
It's a nice mouse. One more in our collector's pack.
Oh, the girl! The girl.
All right. Woo. And we don't know what movie this is from?
I do, but I don't remember the
So we don't know their name or the name of the movie. So if you're watching this video and you know the name of the movie and the name of these two mice, comment below and help us out. More Collector's Pack Series 6. Oh, this is Pixar Pals Collection. Nice.
It's probably not gonna have like Inside Out.
Oh, we have
The Incredibles.
The Incredibles. And this boy is fat. Incrediboy.
Look at his hair.
Wow.
So cool.
This is so cool, guys. What's up next? Let's see.
Meow.
Wow, we have
Boo.
Boo from Monsters Inc. Aw, look, she's so cute. Do you think she's scared?
No, but she's smiling.
Oh, she's smiling. Yes. Hi, Boo.
Hey.
Right. Whoa! We come in peace. This is one of those aliens from Toy Story.
Like Daddy. Daddy has 3 eyes.
Let's see what's our next surprise. Duck Stuffin'. And the duck is in.
Now.
Hey, what's the one? These are all the possible that we can get so far. We got Mr. Chomp and Lambie
No,
in
the
our
one
last
with the crown, that
video.
one.
Oh yes, with a tiara or crown. Lambie.
It's a tiara.
Is that tiara?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
What's the
see.
difference between a tiara and a crown?
I don't know.
Put in the comments below.
Let's see. Wow!
We got Bronte.
We got dinosaur.
We got Bronte. Now I think Mama
What's his
Dinosaur.
name?
Bronte, I think.
Bronte?
Yeah, I think so, see?
Aww.
I think Mama Dinosaur will be happy now.
Bronte! Bronte! What's going on, man?
Look at his teeth are supposed to be bad.
What?
Because in the episode he had bad teeth. No, that's a shark.
That's why you need to brush your teeth all the time. Bronte! And let's see, we have, let's see, wow! Minion! Piñata? Don't know, let's see what's in our Minion surprise.
La cucaracha?
We got La Cucaracha!
Yes!
Woo!
Yeah.
We got, which one is this one?
Stuart is Stuart.
We got Stuart Minion!
And we got something else. A
Hey.
stand!
Oh, it is a stand. Hey, it looks like he's asking for a ride. La Cucaracha? And we have one more item in our surprise. And it's a Shopkins Season 2 surprise basket. So far, we've been getting a lot of duplicates. Hopefully, this one will be one that we don't have.
Yes, we
We do have pasta. It is pasta, right?
Pasta, I think here it is.
Pasta, meat, pasta.
Pasta.
Hey.
We got a lot of duplicates.
Whoa!
Carrie.
We got carrot cake. Had a big carrot on top. We have big carrot. And we have twin sister.
These are the surprises we got in my first Play-doh egg. Bronte. Minion. We got carrot cake and pasta. Boo and the Incredible Boy. The two mice. A Dalmatian dog and an alien from Toy Story. Minty, My Little Pony, and Stuart Minion.
Piñata?
Thanks a
lot for watching.
All of the Toys channel. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to watch all our new videos. Bye. La cucaracha.